3 Best Keto Chicken Recipes, Low Carb. Craving satisfying chicken on keto, but tired of bland bakes? Dive into these 3 keto-licious recipes that bring the flavor, keep the carbs low, and rock your taste buds. 1. Creamy Tuscan Sun Chicken, serves 4. * Ingredients. * 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. * 1 tablespoon olive oil. * ½ a teaspoon each dried oregano, thyme, rosemary. * salt and pepper to taste. * 8-ounce cream cheese, softened. * ½ a cup sun-dried tomatoes, chopped. * a quarter cup chopped fresh spinach. * a quarter cup grated Parmesan cheese. * instructions. 1. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Heat oil in a skillet and sear chicken until golden brown. Season with herbs and salt and pepper. 2. Whisk cream cheese with sun-dried tomatoes and spinach. Arrange chicken in a baking dish and top with cream cheese mixture. 3. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until chicken is cooked through and bubbly. Sprinkle with Parmesan before serving. 2. Spicy fajita chicken bowls, serve 6. * Ingredients. * 2 pounds boneless, skinless chicken thighs, sliced. * 1 tablespoon each olive oil, lime juice. * 1 teaspoon each chili powder, paprika, cumin, coriander. * ½ a teaspoon each garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika. * salt and pepper to taste. * 1 bell pepper, any color, thinly sliced. * 1 onion, thinly sliced. * 1 avocado, sliced. * keto-friendly tortillas or lettuce wraps. * instructions. 1. Combine oil, lime juice, spices, and salt and pepper in a bowl. Marinate chicken for at least 30 minutes. 2. Heat a large skillet over medium heat. Cook chicken until browned and cooked through. Add bell peppers and onion, cook until softened. 3. Serve chicken mixture in bowls with avocado slices and your favorite keto toppings like sour cream, salsa, or cheese. 3. Pesto zucchini chicken roll UPS, serves 4. * Ingredients. * 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, thinly pounded. * a quarter cup pesto. * ½ a cup sun-dried tomatoes, chopped. * a quarter cup spinach, chopped. * 4 medium zucchini, thinly sliced lengthwise. * ½ a cup shredded mozzarella cheese. * salt and pepper to taste. * instructions. 1. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Spread pesto on each chicken breast. Lay sun-dried tomatoes and spinach on top, season with salt and pepper. 2. Roll up chicken tightly and secure with toothpicks. Wrap each roll with a zucchini slice. 3. Place rolls seam side down in a baking dish. Top with mozzarella cheese and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until chicken is cooked through and cheese is melted. Bonus tip: leftovers? No problem. These recipes make amazing lunch bowls or prepped meals for busy days. Just portion them out and store in airtight containers. So ditch the keto boredom and try these flavor-packed recipes. With minimal carbs and maximum taste, they'll keep your diet exciting and your taste buds happy. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more keto-licious inspiration.